Munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua na ugite ati utongoria wa Kenya Kwanza ukaraithiria Thuki Mbithi na muno augite wira riu ukongereka. Rigathi akwaragia kiri uruguri wa Kenya Youth Employment and Entrepreneurship Accelerator Program mukawani umwe muci wa Nairobi. Munini uyu wa rais na ugite rais William Ruto nekirite AYUTHI mbere kiri wathani uyu wawe na kethirwa kimatetheria nikenda atigira ubatu wao unde ukubingwa.
And I want to tell you I am under express instructions of the President and the Deputy President here to help manage the affairs of young people, not outside the box, but entirely without the box, completely without the box. His Excellency the Deputy President was reminding me just a moment ago, you have to do it completely differently. And I'll do it, sir, completely differently, because that is what our young people expect. They expect a completely different mindset.
The policy of the Ruto administration is less and less government in people's lives and more services to the people of Kenya. That is the policy. So I want to say, our young people, Waziri Abab, we must get nearer to these youths. And you can see they are looking for us. Why they called me Rigji is because they want me to be nearer them. They feel more comfortable. Because by staying nearer these young people, you get to know their thinking, you get to know their fears, you get to appreciate their capacity, you get to know how to engage with them. Because we have a problem. I want to tell our young people, the Ruto administration is so focused on your issues. You wouldn't know our meetings with the president, private and public. 40% of his conversation revolves around the youth issue. We are so clear in our mind.